Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about the glue code in Cucumber. So the bridge between the Jetpin and automation. So consider a scenario. You have written the future files in plain English, but how does the Cucumber know what to execute? So you can define it like glue code is the backend implementation so that connects your Jenkins steps to the automation logic. So each step definition is annotated with the given when then matching the plain text steps in the future files and acts as a bridge between the human readable scenarios and programmatic test actions. So in real time use, future file like where we write down like given user is on the login page, when user enters the valid credentials, then user should see the home page. And step definition, so at the rate given user is on the login page, public void open login page method. So driver.get and the URL of the login page. So and when at the rate when user enters the valid credentials, public void enter credentials, login page dot login, username and password, and then user should be see the home page. The public void verify the home page method asset dot asset to true, home page dot is displayed. So if you consider an analogy like glue code is like a translator in the UN, it convert the plain English instructions into the actions computers understand. So tricky question. So can we use the glue code across the multiple feature files? Absolutely. So step definitions can be shared across the features as long as the step text matches and promote the code reusability and maintainability.